Hey guys, it's a beautiful fall day here. It's around just about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. It's maybe 70 degrees, a nice light wind blowing, just a little bit of light fluffy clouds. Anyway, when I was a kid growing up in the Upper Peninsula, Fridays meant Fish Fry Day. Especially in the area that I lived, there was a large percentage of Italians. And when you were Catholic back in those days, you always went without meat on one day. And so the traditional day to do it was on Fridays. And so everyone had fish fry. You either made it at home or all the restaurants had Friday fish fry, the taverns had Friday fish fry. So I grew up on those Friday fish fries. And then when I moved to the South, they didn't do the Friday fish fries like that. So no. And when I went out to California, they introduced me to fish tacos. Now there was a combination of fish fry and taco. The first time when I heard of it, I went, I don't know. But then when I had it, I was hooked. So now that we live in Illinois, there's Friday fish fry again. A lot of restaurants around here have Friday fish fry, but not any of them really that I've noticed have fish tacos. So I'm gonna make fish tacos and I'm gonna show you how to do it. All right, here we go. So guys, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make the batter for the fish. To do that, start off with tempura batter mix. Hey. You get 1 cup. And of course, since we're in the Midwest, Leinenkugel's Oktoberfest. 3/4 of a cup. And now we mix this. Needs more beer. Needs more beer. Now we're getting somewhere. Okay, now I'll set that aside and it'll be time to make the sauce to put inside of the taco. Okay guys, now it's time to make the sauce that will spread inside the tortilla shell when it's time to build the tacos. So it's a cup of sour cream and a cup of salsa verde. So let's start with the salsa verde. Put in an equal amount of sour cream. And we mix. Yeah, that's obviously a lot of sauce for just the two of us. So you could probably, you could do a 1/2 cup of each. Maybe if it's just one of you, it's a 1/4 cup each, but it's just 1/2 and 1/2 sour cream, salsa verde. And now we have, and it tastes magnificent. So, all right, now it is time to get the fish ready. Well guys, wasn't able to get fresh fish, so I've got frozen cod. Not an issue. All you need to do is cut it up into 1-inch wide strips. That over here, then just put all these little pieces off to the side. Still a little bit frozen and it makes it easier to cut that way. Well, that one wasn't pretty. One more. Well, there. Plate full of semi-frozen fish. But it'll be nice for when I put it in the deep fryer. So I'm gonna let this thaw out a little bit more and then we'll do some deep frying. Okay guys, now we take pieces of fish, dip them in the tempura batter, and then dip them in to fry. These little itty bitty pieces can get pretty messy, but boy, will they be good in the taco. Oh well. Okay, now I'll set the timer for 3 minutes and we will come back and knock this one out and then put the rest in. All right guys, 3 minutes has passed. Let's pull this out. Shake it around. Look at that. Look at how beautiful that is. Come on, that's gorgeous. Take these guys out. Look at all those little top corners. Dump those out. Okay, let's put the basket back. Let's do the big pieces of fish. I'm gonna go set that timer for 3 minutes. But first of all, I'm trying this little bad boy right here. Oh, look at that crunch. Oh my goodness, guys. Okay, it's been 3 minutes. Let's take a look. You see that? Look at how beautiful that is. Let it drain. Turn down the deep fryer, turn it off. Of course, the last piece has to be stuck in there, doesn't it? Okay, now we're at the flat top. It's plenty hot enough, so I'm going to turn it off. Doesn't really need to be kicking it up or anything. Let me drop a tortilla on there. And all you want to do, you don't want to fry it. You just want to flip it every few seconds or so. You just want to warm it up so it gets pliable. Okay, put her on the plate. So here's what we do, guys. Take some of this wonderful sauce here, just spread it around inside the taco like that. Put a little cabbage in there. See that beautiful color? Now, grab a few pieces of fish. Grab a few pieces of fish. Grab another one because you can. And then how about this guy right here too? Now you put on a little bit of the Cholula. Not a lot, just a little. Then you take a lime and just squeeze some of that juice on there. Hey guys, taco time. Now I'm sure it'll all fall apart and everything, but look at that. Best of two worlds. You got your Friday fried fish, and you got a taco. It's got the lime, it's got the cabbage, it's got the sauce, it's got the tortilla, and it's got these wonderful, like popcorn-like little pieces of fish. Best of both worlds. Best of what?